if you're tired of burning your hands and you're done with the traditional oven mitts, these cloth ones, already kind of, this is actually a funny one, but anything like this that don't work and ultimately don't cover your arms and burn your hands, look no further. These are silicone mitts, which I was skeptical of, but they work extremely well. To begin with, they're rated for 400 degrees. I'm going to show you in a second in real time with my temperature gun that they can stay at least 300 or more. I've got my oven set to 350 at the moment, cooking some Brussels sprouts. But anyway, why are these so good? A, rated up to 400, which means you can use it on the barbecue too. B, they are double-sided, which means you see they have a really good grip. That's first of all. But double-sided means it doesn't matter which one you grab first, right? It comes as a pair, but you can, you don't have to find quote-unquote the right one, whereas some of these you do. There's no right side to these. They're lined in the middle. They're comfortable, and the bottom line is they just work. I mean, there's not a whole lot to it. When you're buying something like this, they either work or they don't. They aren't the longest gloves. They're 11.6 inches, so you can see. Sorry. They're 11.6 inches, so you could see. Pull my sleeve up. Covers your whole wrist, and it's pretty high up, I would say. So that's my only complaint about these, is this little loop. So I like to put it on that thing, and that's a very small loop. So that's my biggest complaint, which is not too big. Outside of that, I definitely recommend these. Let me show you the demo, or just to see exactly how hot these. Yeah. So just to show you as an example, if I do it on the top, it's about 111. You see it changing. You see a little red light. Now we'll open up the oven. There's my Brussels sprouts. If I do it anywhere in here, you're at 350. If I touch this tray right now, 356. It's over here, 260, 300 on the edges, 321, which makes sense because I have it set to 350. And now you'll watch. I have no problem just keeping my hand here and carrying this. I don't feel a thing, not even close. I wouldn't even attempt this with my other ones. And then as far as grabbing, very easy to do. Perfect. I actually feel very safe with these. At 400 degrees, I don't know how long you can hold it, because if I hold this long enough, you start to feel a little bit of heat, but you're not getting burned or anything like that. So you're not going to be stoking a fire permanently. You're just going to be taking stuff in and out of the oven. It's perfect for that. And I haven't found gloves that come close to that. So anyway, if you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. I've got a link to these in the description. This is actually quite hot to the touch, interesting enough. But again, these are silicone, BPA-free, and they don't smell. They don't have that smell of the plastic in your kitchen. So if you found this at all helpful, please do give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to see more, subscribe down below. Thank you for joining me.